Veena Panikaru has done a remarkable work for the classical music genre as such. It's such a amazing, which is like 3 minutes and 10 seconds to be precise, and where he has brought in again all the 72 Melakarta ragams. Just the name of the ragam and the structure of the ragam is shown. So that is something extraordinarily remarkable thing. And one thing from as a musician point of view, it's very challenging for every artist to play that. And from the other angle is for the next generation, future generation, what 72 Melakarta is. See, understanding theoretically is something different, and practical knowledge is so important as far as music is concerned. How much ever we know the theory, finally music has to be practical. Like, it has to be performed. It is a performing art. So what this 3 minutes 10 second piece will help the next generation is, if they can work on this, that will really help them to know what 72 Melakarta scheme is, and so that with the help of this strong foundation they can make merries. Namo Narayana.